The first thing you always advise is try to eat cooked food. The reason is cooked food, you tend to destroy all the bacteria, and that helps us to decrease the chances of infection. Now, everything need not to be cooked. Question is asked, can we eat fruit? Yes, fruits can be eaten. So ideally speaking, they should be made sure that they're sterilized. Commonest way of sterilizing is keeping them in hot water for at least 30 seconds and taking off the peel. You remove the peel and you can eat the fruit. And the most important factor is, because being in India, we need to avoid spices and oil, because with chemotherapy, you tend to lose the layer of gut bacteria which you get formed over the years. Like a newborn cannot take any spices. But as you age, eating slowly small amount of spices over the time, there is a small layer of tissue formed over the gut which is actually resistant to all of these irritants. But when you give chemotherapy, this irritant layer is lost. And when you take any spices or any irritant like oil or any spices, that will irritate the gut more and can cause more problems. And you can also lose a lot of gut bacteria. So no for any spices or high oil. The biggest concern everybody asks is, doctor, should I eat a lot of proteins? See, the problem is the protein also gets absorbed from the gut, and the protein also needs microbacter or microbacteria, the gut bacteria, to absorb it. And when the post chemotherapy, there will be a lot of distortion of gut bacteria. So a lot of protein powders what people tend to consume, there's a lot of bloating because it cannot be easily digested in the gut because the bacteria is missing, and you tend to get a lot of bloating. So protein is important, but try to stick to the natural proteins like meat, eggs and all, whatever vegan protein what we get. But get the excess of protein is also bad for your gut. Can we eat non-veg? Yes, for sure. The problem is here in a country like India is we tend to consume non-veg always in a spicy mode. So that's the whole point we should avoid. You can eat non-veg, but it should be less spicy and regularly cooked. And whenever patients are taking chemotherapy and all, try to take most of the fermented food, because fermented food, the bacteria already works on your nutrients. It actually divides the nutrients and it's easy to absorb. So try to take a lot of fermented food, probably like curd or any other fermented food. There is no complicated diet in cancer, or patients are taking chemotherapy. Try to stick to the basics like fermented food, cooked food, all fruits with peel off, avoid all the irritants like spices and oil, and protein which is in moderate, no excess protein, and can consume meat also. Thank you.